Hey everybody, today is Friday, October 26, 2018, and I'm going to get a press penny here at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel, and here we go. Go ahead, Mom. We're going to get that one with Mickey and Minnie playing in the water, ocean water there. Let's see.
Okay. Done already?
That was quick. Let's see.
Wow, check it out. Oops, upside down.
Yeah, it's alright. Wow, Mickey and Minnie playing in the ocean water.
Something on the back, too.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel logo. Yeah, that's it.
Very cool.
Alright. Alright, guys, I'll see you when we get to Disney California Adventure Park. Alright, see you guys later. Today is Friday, October 26, 2018. We're at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel in Anaheim, California. I really like that shot of the beach that they have on the wall here. And this is the restaurant where we had our character breakfast, my mom and I, at Disney's PCH Grill. It was an awesome character breakfast. Hey guys, we're at the Off the Page store at the Hollywood Land in Disney California Adventure Park in Anaheim, California. I'm about to get a press penny. I think I'm gonna get that one in the middle. Alright, let's go. It's got a picture of Mickey and Minnie in front of the Carthay Circle Theater.
Are we walking over Cars Land?
Yeah, the Cars Land or something, the water one at the end.
Oh, it's warm. Oh, there it is. Mickey and Minnie in front of the Carthay Circle Theater, Disney California Adventure. We're in Adventureland in Disneyland Park in Anaheim, California, guys. I'm at a press penny from the Adventureland Bazaar store that they have. Alright, here goes. I think I'm gonna pick Maui from Moana. Oh. Ooh, it's warm. Maui from Moana, that guy's on the penny. Today is Saturday, October 27, 2018, and we're at the on Main Street, USA, at Disneyland Park in Anaheim, California. I'm about to get another press penny here. I think I'm gonna get that one, Ratatouille. Go ahead, Cassie. Luigi and Remy from Ratatouille. Oh. Ooh, that's wrong. So, Remy and Luigi from Ratatouille. This is the Gag Factory store at Mickey's Toontown in Disneyland Park in Anaheim, California, everybody. We're at the Gag Factory store in Mickey's Toontown at Disneyland Park in Anaheim, California, everybody. Gonna get a pressed dime this time on this machine. Alright, let's get started. I think I'm gonna take Goofy as a baby. A Disney baby. Oh. Ooh, that's hot. It's Goofy as a Disney baby, guys, playing with his ball.